Hello, today we will guide you through how to create drop-down list in KoboToolbox. To begin, open your form in KoboToolbox and make sure you are on the form builder page for your sample project. This is where you'll add and configure the questions needed for your drop-down list setup. If you're following along in real time, it helps to stay in the builder view so you can immediately see each change as it happens. Once you're in the form, click the plus sign. This opens the option to add something new to your form. Then select plus add question. KoboToolbox gives you different question types, and the one you choose here determines how people will interact with the form. From the list of question types, click select one. This option is used when you want the respondent to choose only one answer from a list. It's commonly used for things like selecting one region, one category, or one response from several choices. This will serve as your first example of a drop-down style question. Next, click the plus sign again to add another question. Choose plus add question one more time, and this time select many. This option is useful when you want respondents to be able to pick more than one answer. For example, it can be used when several choices may apply at the same time. Now that both question types are in your form, the next part is what makes them appear as drop-down style fields. Go to the sample question and click the settings icon at the top right of that question. In the settings panel, click Select. This allows you to adjust how the answer choices will be displayed. Then choose Minimal. In KoboToolbox, the minimal appearance changes the standard selection layout into a more compact drop-down style view. This is especially helpful when you want to save space on the screen or make the form look cleaner. After that, repeat the same process for the Select Many question. Open the settings for that question, click Select, and then choose Minimal again. Applying the same appearance setting here ensures that both your single select and multiple select questions use the compact drop-down style. Once you've finished making those changes, click Preview at the top left. Preview lets you test the form and confirm that the questions display the way you expect. This is a good final check to make sure your drop-down lists are working properly before you continue editing or share the form with others. And that's it. You've successfully set up drop-down list style questions in KoboToolbox using the minimal appearance option.